Park your car in the sun for a couple of hours and it doesn't just get hot. It gets sizzling hot, blistering hot, too hot to get into. But now, the same sun that makes your car unbearably hot can keep it cooler and comfortable with the amazing AutoCool, the ingenious solar-powered ventilation system that keeps cars cooler, no matter how long they're left in the sun. Here's why. Sunlight captured by the solar panel powers a powerful microventilation system, pulling the stifling heat out and keeping the inside cooler. It's ready to use right out of the box, complete with weather stripping to keep your car watertight and ventilated at the same time. All you do is place the solar AutoCool on the window and roll it up. That's it, nothing to plug in. And AutoCool stores right in your glove compartment, so it's always ready whenever you need it.
I live in my car between my personal life and my work life, and I don't have time to wait for my car to cool off. I need to be able to get in it and go. AutoCool is fabulous. It draws all the hot air out of my car, and now I can get in and go. I love it. Everybody should have AutoCool.